Oh, hello everybody. Welcome to YouTube again. My dad rebuilt this refrigerator. We built this. That's the drain part. 66. See, everybody's powerful. Okay? I hope the water will get cold tonight. It's a nice little wire. I might be filming at Nana's house. Or Nana's gonna want to take a day off or something. I don't like that. I'm making her tired. Alright, everybody. I hope you like my refrigerator, buddy. I didn't build it. My dad did. I'm not lying. I'm for real. I took it apart. My dad took it apart. He did good on it. But why don't be on camera? Because... Okay, everybody. That'll be it for you guys. And peace out. And see you later.